Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV27. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV27 is making a weird noise, it's likely due to a failing motor or a blockage in the airflow system. This can happen due to dust accumulation or debris getting stuck inside. If left unrepaired, it can lead to more serious damage, affecting the overall performance of your vacuum and potentially leading to costly repairs. For this repair, you'll need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor compatible with the Dyson SV27, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a pair of gloves. To start, ensure your vacuum is turned off and unplugged. Carefully use a screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover off to expose the internal components. Be cautious while doing this to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. The noisy component is typically the motor, which you can locate by following the sound. It's usually positioned at the rear of the vacuum. Disconnect any cables attached to the motor, making sure to remember their placement for reassembly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, remove the motor by unscrewing it from the base. Take note of the type of screws used, as they may vary. Ensure you apply steady, gentle force to avoid stripping the screws. Once the motor is out, clean any dust or debris from the area before placing the new motor in. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tight but not overly so, to avoid damaging the new component. After replacing the motor, reconnect the cables exactly how they were before. Now, replace the cover by aligning it carefully and securing it with the screws. Make sure everything is snug and properly seated. Finally, plug in your vacuum and turn it on to test. If it runs smoothly without any strange noises, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to clean your vacuum regularly and check for blockages after each use. Proper maintenance can significantly extend the life of your Dyson SV27. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.